Again, this is Lily Whitesell Carvalho with It's Easy Being Green. Well, frogs, toads, snakes, turtles, salamanders, and lizards, these are all reptiles and amphibians you can find around here. They are the subject of study of herpetologists. The word herpetology comes from the Greek herpetos for creeping, or was it creepy, animals. You can find all of these lovely creatures, again, right here in Northern Virginia. Turtles, in particular, are one of the cuter ambassadors for the science of creeping things. And this year, the Virginia Herpetological Society is asking for your help reporting sightings of the eastern box turtle, Terrapene carolina carolina. Terrapene, as it turns out, the scientific genus name comes from the Algonquin term for turtle, just like the diamondback terrapin from Maryland. Now, eastern box turtles, on the other hand, are those neat little guys that only get to be about 8 inches long, but that can live up to 30, 50, 80, or even 100 years old. Our eastern box turtle friends are susceptible to human activity, unfortunately, especially the activity of our cars, lawnmowers, and even bulldozers when their habitat gets destroyed. They've been listed as lower risk near threatened on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List of Threatened Species. So every time you see an eastern box turtle this spring, summer, and fall coming up here, please help keep track of what's happening to them. Go online to the Virginia Herpetological Society website. You can find that at tiny.cc/boxturtle and fill out their handy form letting them know where exactly you saw that box turtle and what condition it was in. Alive or injured or even dead if you see one off of the road. One more thing, if you do see a turtle trying to get to the other side of the road and you'd like to give it a hand, don't set it back where it started. These guys have internal homing devices, so it'll just start crossing the road again. So I'm sure they would appreciate a help to the other side to where they're headed, but do help them across as opposed to setting them back. Now, even though one of our other favorite herps, the frog, might disagree, it is easy being green. Report your sightings of the eastern box turtle, Virginia Herpetological Society, again at tiny.cc/boxturtle. Thanks. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Lily. So if you see a turtle struggling to get across the road, stop and give him a hand and move him.
If you do decide to help him across the road,
right.
Try
then not to hit it.
Don't put it back. Put it, help him along his way.
That's a good information. They can live to be 60, 70 years old. That's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
That's great.
Isn't that amazing?
All right. Way to go, turtles. Okay, thanks, Lily.